Our team has experience in startups, programming, and business. We identified a major problem. Consumers in Cyprus do not have a reliable compare tool for supermarkets to compare supermarket prices. During the hackathon, we have developed an online survey collecting results from 96 people, and we identified that 45% of them compare prices between supermarkets always or almost always. Moreover, on the question, have you compared prices based on the price observatory of the Ministry of Commerce? Only 10% answered positively. Moreover, from the remaining 90% who answered negatively, 40% didn't know what is the price observatory, and we even included the Greek word paradritérion timών. Our platform compares supermarket prices, collects and features offers, useful statistics and insights, and has integrations with Google Maps, open government data from the Price Observatory, and we even have a verbal agreement with an online supermarket called supermarketcy.com. Also, we empower the consumer and we help in the decision making of where to shop, what kind of products to buy, creating a social value for our society. Our revenue model is very simple. Everyone can use the platform and register for free. However, we have also a premium model, subscription-based, where we provide extra features, statistics, and offer alerts. We have sponsored products based on the Google Ads model, where supermarkets can pay and sponsor their best buying products. We have an API with the online supermarket, supermarketcy.com.cy, and we also collect behavioral data and sell it to supermarkets, which is a later stage. And also we have advertisement space for targeted ads from distributors, from wholesalers, where they can put their products on a minimum cost. Now, Nicolas will present the prototype.
Okay, so the first thing that the user do once they register and they get the first screen, they have a very easy filtering option to search for products. Let me get the language because we had some issues with English. So I choose αγκουράκια χωραφιού and you see that the list adds them to the shopping. The next one, maybe I want to get bananas. So I want bananas is αγόμενες. Oh, sorry. Bananas. Let's get these αγόμενες. We add them here. And I also would like to have some χοιρινός κιμάς for my pasta. Here it is. And maybe also I wanted milk. And get the Lanitis milk. Once I'm done, I can hit Εμφάνιση τιμών. And the processing will give me which are the prices from the various supermarkets. It will give me in the results all the stores that have the products in my vicinity. And you can see that in each row we see for each item which shop has the cheapest price highlighted in green. At the bottom of the screen, you see that we have the total of the basket. And again, we get highlighted the supermarket with the cheapest total basket. One other feature we have is that we can print the list and it will select the list from the supermarket that we prefer. Interestingly, some consumers may choose not to go with the cheapest one, but go with their favorite if the threshold of saving is not to their liking. So looking forward, we can gather statistics and calculate this threshold what it is to switch. Another feature is to see statistics about the progression of price of each item and the average price. Very easily, next to each item, you can click on the graph button, and you get the minimum, maximum, and average price, and also a little graph to show this visually. Of course, if I hit another one, this will refresh, and it will show the relevant stats. Essentially, this is our tool for now, just to let you know that it's scalable, and we can add even from tomorrow, once supermarkets see why online supermarkets gives us an API, we can import all their products. We talk about thousands of products. There are 2 more online supermarkets in Cyprus, Otello and Cheap Basket. I'm sure that if we talk to them, they will also be open. I mean, their prices are already open on their websites. And we hope to also pressurize the traditional supermarkets and give them incentives to also give us a price to be able to compare like with like, because our prices are from the observatory, and they will be for theirs. It will be older than from the online supermarket, so it would be a disadvantage for them.
Is there a question?
Happy to take any questions.